How long does a Snapchat device ban last? You were probably excited to use Snapchat on your new phone. But then you got a message that said your account was temporarily banned. What gives? We're sorry to hear that you were banned from using Snapchat on your device. Unfortunately, we don't release information about how long bans last, as this information is subject to change. We recommend reaching out to our support team for more information. Snapchat device bans are usually temporary. If you're caught using a Snapchat device that isn't yours, you could be banned from the app for a period of time. But don't worry, these bans are usually temporary. Snapchat is pretty good at detecting when someone is using a banned device, and they'll quickly restore your account if they determine that you were using the device without permission. So just be careful not to use someone else's Snapchat device, and you'll be fine. The duration of a Snapchat device ban depends on the offense. If you get caught using a Snapchat device that's been banned, the duration of the ban will depend on the offense. But here's the thing, a Snapchat device ban is a warning, not a punishment. So if you get caught using a banned device, you'll be temporarily banned from using Snapchat. How long the ban will last depends on the severity of the offense, but it's usually not more than a few days. Just be sure to heed the warning and don't use any banned devices. How to know if I have a Snapchat device banned? If you're not sure whether your Snapchat device has been banned, there are a few ways to find out. The first thing to do is check the Snapchat login page. If it says, your device is not authorized to use Snapchat, that's a good indication that you've been banned. Another way to tell is if you're getting an error message when you try to open the app. If you're getting an error that says, could not connect to Snapchat, that's another sign that you've been banned. And finally, you can also check your App Store or Google Play Store account to see if Snapchat has been removed from your list of installed apps. How to bypass a Snapchat device ban. If you've been banned from using Snapchat on your device, you're probably wondering how long the ban will last. Unfortunately, there's no one answer to that question. Snapchat bans can last for a variety of reasons, and the duration will depend on the severity of the infraction. For example, if you were caught using a third-party app to access Snapchat, your ban could last for weeks or even months. But don't worry, there are ways to bypass a Snapchat device ban. One way is to use a different device, such as a computer or laptop. You can also try using a VPN or proxy server to mask your IP address. Whatever you do, don't try to hack into Snapchat or use any other workaround that's going to get you in trouble with the app. The best thing to do is be patient and wait for the ban to expire. How to avoid getting a Snapchat device banned. Snapchat is pretty strict when it comes to device bans. If you get caught using a banned device, you'll be locked out of your account for good. But there are a few things you can do to avoid getting caught. First of all, make sure you're using the latest version of the Snapchat app. And if you're not sure whether your device is banned or not, you can check the list of prohibited devices on the Snapchat website. If you're ever in doubt, just play it safe and use a different device. And whatever you do, don't try to cheat the system. That's a surefire way to get yourself banned from Snapchat for good. How long does Snapchat device ban last? If you get caught using a third-party app to save snaps, your account will be temporarily banned. We take the security of our platform very seriously, and we want to make sure that all of our users are using our app in the safest way possible. That's why we have a strict policy against using third-party apps to save snaps. If you're caught using one of these apps, your account will be temporarily banned. The length of the ban will depend on the severity of the violation, and it's possible that your account could be permanently banned if you continue to break our terms of service. Causes of Snapchat device ban. Snapchat has been known to be pretty strict when it comes to its terms of service. And if you happen to violate them, you could end up with a device ban that lasts anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. But what are the specific violations that can lead to a Snapchat device ban? Well, according to the company's website, they include posting content that is adult or sexually suggestive, sending harassing or threatening messages, posting illegal content, spamming others, So if you're careful about what you share on Snapchat, you should be just fine. But if you do end up getting banned, don't worry, it's not the end of the world. How to prevent getting banned on Snapchat. If you're one of the millions of people who use Snapchat on a daily basis, then you know that there's always the potential for getting banned. But what you may not know is how to prevent getting banned in the first place. Here are a few tips. 1. Don't share X-rated or nudity on Snapchat. This is a big no-no and will definitely get you banned. 2. Don't screenshot other people's snaps without their permission. This is also a big no-no and will definitely get you banned. 3. Don't spam other people's Snapchat stories with irrelevant content. This is also a big no-no and will definitely get you banned. 4. Be aware of the terms and conditions of Snapchat's user agreement and follow them closely. This is the best way to prevent getting banned on Snapchat. How to appeal for a Snapchat device ban. If you're wondering how long a Snapchat device ban lasts, the answer is it depends. Every situation is different, and the appeals process can be complicated. But don't worry, we're here to help. The first thing you need to do is reach out to Snapchat and explain your situation. Be sure to include your username and the specific device you were using when you received the ban. If Snapchat determines that you were actually using a prohibited app or doing something else that violated their terms of service, then your device ban will be upheld. But if Snapchat decides that the ban was a mistake, they may lift it. In either case, we recommend that you stay calm and respectful when reaching out to Snapchat. After all, they're the ones who hold the power in this situation. And remember, patience is key. It may take some time for them to review your case and make a decision.